Hi guys, what's up? So what I'm going to do here right now, I am going to do a video tutorial on how to reveal a password to a certain website. So for example, on Facebook. So whenever you enter a password here, it'll show up like this, hidden password. All are in, it'll show up asterisk, right? As you can see. So for you to reveal the password, all you have to do is just highlight the password, right click, and go to inspect. It'll pop up the elements here on the right side. So next thing that you have to do is find here the highlighted line or program. So when you hover your mouse here, it will pop up the information on the left side and the password side here. Again, so you're in the right line or program. So you have to double click this one, the password, double click and change it to Word. After doing that, so go back to the website, click here. That's it. It'll pop up or it'll reveal the entered password. Yan, ganyan lang kadali guys. Kung paano i-reveal yung password on a certain website. So this will also apply to any social media account. The same procedure as what I did a while ago. Yan lang kasimple. Please guys, just a reminder, don't do this as a hack. I'm not doing this to teach you on how to hack a certain website or password. Just this is only for educational purposes. Just to let you know that pwede pala ito gagawin sa Google browser. So maraming magagawa through Google browser guys to edit a certain website, but this is only temporary, okay? Yan. Next thing, paano mo i-revert yung password, revealed password every time you enter the password here? It'll show up the word itself. Paano mo i-revert yung password back to hidden? Paano mo i-hide again yung password? All you have to do is just refresh the page. Refresh the page and it will go back to its original content. Yan. Just like that. Ganyan lang. Now, it applies also to any social media accounts like Gmail and YouTube, but as long as my password on a social media account, you can just reveal the password. The same procedure. And also, one thing I have also thing that I'm gonna show you on how to edit the context on this website. To change this one. To change this and everything. The word. This one. You can also change this these contexts on this particular website temporarily guys. The same procedure. So for example, sign up. You can change this one. Just highlight the word up, right click, inspect, and then so go to the highlighted line or program, this one, find the word sign up. So ito, double click the word up. So let's just enter down. So click back to the website and kita mo na, you will see the changes from sign up it went to sign down. It changed to sign down temporarily by editing the elements on this particular website. This is only for temporary, guys. Okay. If you do have friends to prank, you can do this actually. Just to prank them. Just don't use this kind of hack to hurt somebody. Okay. It's only for educational purposes, guys. Just to remind you once again. So yeah, you can change here. The same thing, change everything here. Just like that. Change this one. See photos and updates, so we can change this photos. Let's just edit this one, same procedure. Highlight, right click, inspect. Alright, and you'll see the element page here. And go to the highlighted program. Find the word see photos, so this one. So change, edit the word photos. So let's just say, let's add up nude photos. Katuwaan lang, guys, okay? See nude photos and updates. So click back to the website and you will see the changes. See nude photos and updates from friends. Katuwaan lang to, guys, okay? Don't hurt somebody using this kind of procedure or hack. Alright, that's it. So you can do this one also on other social media account. Google, anywhere, and the website. Also here, when you search through Google, and you can change everything here. You can change the content temporarily. You can put your name there, anything that you wish to do. As long as my context sa page, as long as there's a content or context, you can change everything here temporarily. That's it. That's how it's simple. You can change this one. So let's just right click, for example. Same procedure. And find email or phone. So this one, right click or double click rather, and then enter first name, and then yes, see, so it changed the first name. And in the password, you can also change to last name. It's up to you, whatever you'd like to do on the website page. So let's just say last name, first name, last name. Double click, enter last name, and click back to the website, and you will see the changes. See? First name, last name. Yan. And this one, so you can change this one, context, and you cannot change the hyperlink, only the context. It's just like this. Yan. But the hyperlink, no, it's not possible for you to edit the hyperlink. Only the context, the text on this website, and all other websites as well. Just like YouTube, you can change this one. Yan. Inedit ko yan. From home to Bahay Kubo. This is my YouTube channel, guys. Trending. Yan. Click. Then, yan, trending. Hover your mouse there. Don't click it. Okay. Just hover, highlight it. Just like that. Right click. Inspect. Then we can edit the word trending here on the elements. Alright, find the word trending on the highlighted one. So double click, then let's just say uso. in Tagalog trending. Click back to the website, close. Alright, uso. Yan, from trending to uso. Alright, so in order for you to go back to its original content, change back to trending, change back to home, just refresh the page. It'll go back to its original content. That's it. That's all you have to do, guys. I hope you enjoy my video tutorial, and please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Okay? See you next time, guys. Thank you.